So in Montana, you're allowed to have set lines or leave your lines out unattended as long as you have your name on them. So here's the first one. Is there something on it? Unfortunately, no. I fished earlier. We got one. Nice little walleye. Same one as earlier. Nice. We got one on this rod. Holy crap, this thing took out a lot of line. Oh, it's another 14-inch walleye. That's a decent walleye. We just caught another walleye on a jigging minnow. For some reason, I haven't caught walleyes on anything else other than a jigging minnow tonight. That's interesting. Maybe it's because the water's getting dirtier. They're not wanting it still and they're wanting it moved around. I don't know. They weren't really interested in the ripping wrap I had on though. We are hooked up. It's after dark. I was just about ready to head in. The fish feels like a nice one though. It's because it is a nice one. Holy crap. That one's even a bigger one. That one might be like 23 or 24. I should really go in because I fished too long, but that is a beauty. We are hooked up. Decent walleye. There's another decent walleye I've got. It's going to be a few days till I'm back out again. The fish I'm getting today are big though.
So here is some video of me fishing for walleye. What I was fishing with is I was fishing on a river, and I was using like ounce egg sinkers with floating jig heads attached to the ounce egg sinkers on bottom. And I also caught some just jigging vertically through the ice with like a 3/8 ounce gumball jig. So stuff you use to normally river fish for walleyes in the summer is what they were biting on. I have done a little more river fishing, but the river came up a little bit and it wrecked the ice, and then now it seems kind of dirty, and the couple times I've went, the fit bite hasn't been very good. But that'll be it for this video. I'll have some more videos to post soon. We'll see you in the next one.